Quick disclaimer, this video was actually filmed a couple of months ago, and I don't think I was ever gonna get around to editing it, but it ended up being one of the last times I was able to go out and get together with a friend and meet people and do things that are normal. Since then, due to the pandemic, a lot of the world is shut down and we're not able to spend time with our friends. And so I felt inspired to put this video together. I hope that you guys are all staying safe and that you enjoy this video from when things were a little more normal and you could just get together with your friend and do a car project. My friends, welcome back to the vlogity. We are on the way to my buddy Josh's place. We're gonna do a little project on his car today. All right, guys, we made it out here. So I've lamented before that I did a lot of work to this car before I was really vlogging. Didn't really document or share any of that. And one of the best things, actually I believe the first thing that you should ever do when you're gonna be modifying a car is wheels and suspension. So that is one project that I wish I had shared on that. Thankfully, Josh actually has the same car as mine. And just look how awful that looks. Yes, because it's high and the wheels are stock. We've got to fix that. So today we're gonna make his car look so much better. It's such a transformative set of modifications because it just totally changes the look and feel. So the new suspension, it's gonna handle better, it's gonna ride better, it's gonna be lower so it's gonna look better, and then you can fit bigger wheels, which also looks hotness. So even though I didn't record when I did mine a couple years ago, it's gonna be the exact same process. You excited, man?
Yeah, I'm excited, but you're making fun of my car. It makes me sad.
It looks horrible. It looks horrible. Look at that. Oh my God. Yes. Oh.
Oh, wow. Oh,
but we're gonna fix it
He's
today.
vomiting. Oh, are we gonna fix it
today?
Great.
Today we're gonna make it. Oh. Ow. Alright, here's the situation. The very first thing that we're doing in the wheel well is taking off the end links because those are going to be the most finicky. You have to put an Allen key through a wrench, and Allen key stripped, bolt is crazy seized. We've tried everything, heat penetrating. Point is, end links are done, and he's been on the phone trying to see if we can get replacement ones anywhere. There actually are some back in Orlando, like an hour away, but his dad's going to pick them up for him because that's awesome. Yeah. So there's still a chance we can get this done today, but we're gonna have to just cut these end links off. I believe every other bolt should be okay. I don't know why I would say that, knock on wood, but every other bolts are bolts that you can get on hexes on either side of every bolt. This is the only thing that's some Allen key malarkey, so. Right. Send it?
Send it, dude.
I do not want to be held responsible for any bad sending.
Well, don't badly send.
Oh crap. Look at this. Look at this carnage. Oh my God.
Oh, that looks perfect.
That looks, I think we nailed it.
That's a clean job right there. We
got the front suspension totally removed after we had to do some cutting, but we got the end link out of here, so the sway bar is totally free. We move on to the rear, and then this car will be without suspension until hopefully that package shows up. Did I mention we don't have the actual components we're supposed to be putting on today? So when we started this project, we didn't actually have the parts that we were going to be putting on. They were supposed to show up today, and we were just fingers crossed that they were going to show up in time. And UPS is here. Hopefully they're on that truck. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Do it, dude.
Different truck, huh?
No way.
We've got all the suspension off the car. It's just sitting there on jack stands, no wheels, no suspension, it's undrivable. And UPS is not here yet. And we're supposed to leave in an hour. There's actually a car meet that Josh organized that we were gonna go to. And I don't know, he just got all like thinking like, oh, I can't go to the meet with the stock car because the stock car is so ugly. I've got to get it done beforehand. So, you know, we're pushing it. We're pushing. Don't try this at home. Oh gosh. Oh man. Oh, this is so intense. Oh, shoot.
One eternity later.
Yes. Yeah. All right, if we're gonna be on time, we've got 40 minutes to get all that stuff into there. It's gonna be a little tight. Look at this. This is a good day. Oh, those look so good. Those look so good. Did they really? They came with end links. Your dad just drove 2 hours. Don't tell him. You can't tell him.
At least we know we don't have to wait for him to get back to finish up, yeah?
Oh my god. We made really, really good time. I'm actually very impressed. We are late. We are gonna be pretty late, but the suspension is all on. We are now just double checking all the torque. I think it's done though. Then we're gonna throw the wheels on, drop the car, and then we're gonna get on the road. Nice, dude, it's so slammed. Yeah, angle, definitely angle. Definitely angle. Ooh, nice. So here's the problem. Here's the thing. We're stuck on the stock wheels for now. Guys, look at this. Look at what happened. His wheel got delivered just straight up bent up. Like that, not cool. He bought it from a place that has great customer service, so I think he'll be taken care of. Hey Ashley.
Hi Andrew.
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Have you ever been to a car meet before?
No, I haven't.
It's just a bunch of people standing around their cars, sometimes with the same car.
Yep.
We're just pulling in now, really late.
My brother had the same exact super, same.
So, what's the deal?
It looks good.
It does look good.
Honestly, it handles really well. It's noticeably stiffer. Here's the problem. It's got stock wheels.
Well, we got to do the wheels.
We do.
That'll really finish what I was saying, like take it to the next level. Like the suspension and the wheels will look really good. So I'm not gonna end this video here.
Right.
Let's time warp into the future when you get your wheels fixed. We're gonna jump forward to when we can actually finish his stuff. All right, it has been a minute since everything else you just saw. The coilover installation, the car meet, that was a few weeks ago. We are just finally now we got the wheels. You know, you saw the first one arrive dented, and there was just a whole series of things that happened. Long story short is, took a minute, but he's finally got 4 wheels ready to go on. So we're gonna put the wheels on today, and what better way to do it than with a lift, dude? Look at this. We've got a lift here. It's not quite installed yet. Today we're drilling it in. Josh got new concrete poured. I think the existing concrete in here would have technically been strong enough, but when you're lifting a vehicle above your head, why not be extra cautious? I appreciate it. Thank you for making it safer for our Okay, the time has come to do the first lifting of the vehicular. Ready? Yep.
Oh, dude, it's not going anywhere. Ugh. I'm a strong guy, so.
So, lift it all the way.
To the first lock, yes. No higher than that.
Second lock? It's up, dude.
Yeah, look how much room there will be for activity. Even more room. Dude.
Even more when it goes all the way up. Like, we're barely off the ground.
Facts. We have. This is so hot, boy.
Look at this. Look at this. Like, it's perfect. We just banged the camber all the way in because it was sticking out. So I don't know. He's probably gonna want to adjust the alignment to make it, you know, drive a little bit better. But for now, it's just like perfect. It's just perfect,
dude.
It's perfect. I mean, it looked perfect.
Feels like a whole new car. Planted.
Suspension, wheels, best thing.
Just need the exhaust. Can't hear anything. Like, is the car running?
Well, the exhaust is next, but if you do the exhaust before you do the wheels and suspension, you're just. You disagree that it looks so much better now?
Definitely looks significantly better. Yeah.
So much better.
So much significantly.
So much better.
Phenomenal.
Alright guys, that is just about gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm actually getting my my stuff packed up to go fly some drones. And you know, I've been able to continue to enjoy doing the things that I love. Been able to keep flying by myself, been able to keep tinkering with the car out on the driveway by myself, and that's definitely helped. It helps during this whole thing to find ways to keep doing the things that you love. But, you know, admittedly, one of the best parts of having a hobby is enjoying that hobby with other people that also enjoy that same thing. So it's been difficult, and you know, I'm glad I had this kind of leftover vlog from doing a car project with a buddy that I was able to, you know, put together. And you know, I look forward to things getting back to normal, being able to fly with people, getting to work on cars with people, do things with friends. Plus, come on, dude, we put in the lift and I haven't gotten to use it. Josh already did an exhaust install on his car and I couldn't be there for it. He sent me pictures and I got to, you know, see the progress. But oh, man, we got projects to do. There's stuff I was planning on doing that I had to just do on jack stands. So stay tuned for more car projects and of course for flying. We're going flying right now, so hopefully I will have a flying video for you guys very soon. So guys, thank you for hanging out. Always appreciate you tuning in. Persevere, and I'll see you next time.